Good morning. I'm back with an unboxing. I have my coffee, of course, which is so good and I need it. But I have my Romantasy Fairyloot box for October. Now, I skipped September, but I did get August and I did read that book, and that's the Warrior Princess Assassin, and I loved it. So I will be keeping it. But so this one is October's. Okay, so this was falling out. The Tithe of Desire. Ooh, don't want to see that yet. So here is a little bit of cushion. Oh, you can already tell there's a lot of foil. I get the book only. So it's Savage Bloom by S.T. Gibson. So, all right. That is what the card says on the back. Now, look at all that beautiful foil. That's going to look so good sitting on the shelf. Now, I love the spray edges. It's got that little house there, and then all the flowers. Now let's see what's on the inside. Oh. Ooh, we got it inside cover. Okay, wait. So let's do... Oh, yes. That's just a different color change of the regular book cover. But it's gorgeous. And so that's the front, side, and the back. And it's gorgeous. So then, ooh, the end pages on at the end. And that's the start. And let's see. Come on. Open up. Has a letter from the author. And a digital signature. So let's see what it says. Wuthering Heights meets The Cruel Prince in the new Celtic-inspired erotic fantasy romance. From Sunday Times bestseller S.T. Gibson, author of the cult phenomenal A Dowry in Blood. For as long as Adam can remember, the legends passed down from his world-traveling grandfather have called him to a crumbling mayor in the Highlands. His closest friend, Nicola, longs for the same adventure, as well as for Adam himself. She'll follow him just about anywhere, even to the remote wilds of Scotland, if it pushes the pair to surrender to their shared attraction. And that's all I'm going to read of it. But that sounds good. I will be reading it very soon. I don't know exactly when. Right now, I'm reading, the physical book I'm reading is Red City from my Book of the Month Club by Marie Lou. Yeah. Of course, spread edges. So I got to finish that one, and then I might read this one. because remember, I have to read them and I have to have it in my budget to keep the subscription. So, and this is the only book subscription, the only one of theirs that I'm doing. I'm not doing the romantasy, the fantasy, the cozy mystery, which they just started, I think, and the epic fantasy. I'm not doing all those. I had to pick just one. I'm trying to be more conscious of how I spend my money and which books I get. But I love the beautiful books. So I thought one is good. It's gorgeous though. But anyway, I hope everyone has a blessed day. And I will see you on Monday for my regular time.